morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. You are doing very well. And you are waiting for today's grammar class. Aren't you? Okay, you all were waiting. So now we are here for today's English grammar class. The first chapter is, children, phrase and clauses. Phrases and clauses. So, you must know what is a phrase. Look here at the blackboard. A phrase is a group of words that make some sense. बच्चों, phrase जो होता है कुछ words का group होता है जो कि कुछ sense हमें बताता है. Complete sense नहीं देता, थोड़ा सा बताता है, कुछ बताता है, इतनी सी इंफॉर्मेशन देता है, बट कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देता. ठीक है. सेकंड इसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, इट डज नॉट एक्सप्रेस अ कंप्लीट आइडिया. ध्यान दीजिए, पहला तो उसने कहा कि सेंस, सम सेंस. सेंटेंस पूरा सेंस बताता है, लेकिन फ्रेज ओनली सम सेंस, थोड़ा सा बताता है कि हाँ भाई पता चला जरा सा. जैसे हमने फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसे ऑन द रोड, आप कहेंगे भाई ऑन द रोड क्या, मैं कहूंगी इन द लाइब्रेरी. आप कहेंगी मैम क्या करना है इन द लाइब्रेरी, जाओ, वी हैव टू स्टडी इन द लाइब्रेरी, वी हैव टू गो इन द लाइब्रेरी, वी नेवर गो टू लाइब्रेरी, व्हाट वी विल डू इन द लाइब्रेरी. कुछ क्लियर नहीं, कंप्लीट आइडिया नहीं. सो बच्चों, माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, कंप्लीट आइडिया होता देन दैट इज अ सेंटेंस, बट कंप्लीट आइडिया नहीं है, तो दैट इज अ फ्रेज. इट डज नॉट कंसिस्ट अ सब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सेंटेंस ऑलवेज हैज अ सब्जेक्ट. सेंटेंस ऑलवेज हैज अ पंक्चुएशन मार्क इन द एंड. सेंटेंस जो होता है उसमें हमेशा एक पंक्चुएशन मार्क होगा, फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क, एनी मार्क इज देयर. एंड सेंटेंस स्टार्ट विद अ कैपिटल लेटर, बट फ्रेज no capital letter is there because there is no subject, that is only a few words group. Next, it does not has a verb. सेंटेंस में वर्ब होना जरूरी है, सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट होना जरूरी है, सेंटेंस में पंक्चुएशन मार्क होना जरूरी है. But in a phrase, no subject, no verb, and no punctuation mark, then that is a phrase. Next, it is only a part of sentence. बच्चों, phrase होता है, meaningful होता है, but complete sentence, complete sense नहीं देता, complete idea नहीं देता, complete message नहीं देता, लेकिन ये sentence का part होता है. For example, when I say a lady was standing on the road, I am saying only I am saying on the road. आपको समझ में नहीं आया on the road क्या है, कौन है, क्या करना है. लेकिन अगर हम कहेंगे I will say a lady was standing on the road, तो आप कहेंगे ठीक है, रोड पर एक लेडी खड़ी है, तो ऑन द रोड इसमें ऐड हो गया ना, तो एक सेंटेंस, पूरा सेंटेंस क्लियर. लेकिन हमने कहा अ लेडी इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन द रोड, सेंटेंस, बट आई से ऑन द रोड, आप समझ नहीं पाए, तो ऑन द रोड इज फ्रेज. एग्जाम्पल थोड़ी सी बात देखते हैं. वी हैव सम मोर एग्जाम्पल. इन द कॉर्नर, आई से इन द कॉर्नर, आई से अंश इन द कॉर्नर. अब अंश समझ नहीं पाएंगे भाई इन द कॉर्नर क्या करना है इन द कॉर्नर, बट व्हेन आई से Ansh, you have to stand in the corner. Means in the corner has come in a sentence and make complete sense. But only in the corner, not a sentence. That is only a phrase. Under the chair, I say, Rishabh, under the chair. आप कहेंगे भाई under the chair क्या? But when I say there is a cat under the chair, flexible sentence, meaningful sentence, but under the chair was clear. At the door. At the door क्या कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, लेकिन there is a man is knocking at the door. अब भी at the door सेंटेंस में ऐड हो गया तो हमको मीनिंग बता रहा है कि at the door, हाँ सेंटेंस में हो गया कि कोई मैन है डोर नॉक कर रहा है, तो at the door is phrase. Next, on the road I have just explained, and the last is a thing of beauty. If I say a thing of beauty is a joy forever, सेंटेंस हो गया, but I am saying a thing of beauty. समझ में नहीं आया? So that is a phrase. Now look in your book. बच्चों, you have to write all of these in your book. These are written in your book also. You can write from your book also. Whatever you like, you can. So, in the book, they are given two examples. The beginning. Mother is making tea for the guest. बच्चों, सेंटेंस है ये तो, but if I will remove for the guest, इसको रिमूव कर दें हम, तो ये हो जाएगा phrase. Next is the girl in the yellow dress is my sister. अगर हम कहें the girl is my sister, सेंटेंस है, but मैंने girl को थोड़ा और सब्जेक्ट को थोड़ा मैंने और enlarge कर दिया, तो the girl in the yellow dress, मैंने बताया कि येलो ड्रेस वाली जो गर्ल है ना, my sister, she is my sister. तो in the yellow dress, the girl in the yellow dress क्या हो गया? So in the yellow dress क्या हो गया? आपका phrase. ठीक है? In the yellow dress phrase. और उधर sentence number 1 for the guest phrase. Now moving next, we will describe now kinds of phrases. Just wait. Next one is adjective phrase. As the phrase is itself saying what they do. Adjective. जो ये phrase है adjective phrase, ये work करता है adjective. Does the function of an adjective. Adjective phrase sentence में adjective का function करता है. आप जानते हैं what are adjectives. Adjectives are the words which describe or qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Adjective noun pronoun के बारे में बड़ा चढ़ा के बताते हैं. होता है adjective. तो देखिए, this ring is made of gold. अब ring के बारे में बता रहे हैं. What kind of ring is made of gold? So made of gold is adjective phrase. Second, she is a student of extraordinary talent. What kind of girl she is? Extraordinary talent. उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं. Adjective. Adjective उसके बारे में उसकी speciality describe हुई है कि वो extraordinary talent की student है. तो extraordinary talent is adjective phrase. What the next is clothes made of silk is costly. तो made of silk. कौन से क्लोथ्स कॉस्टली होते हैं? Made of silk. सिल्क के बने, तो एडजेक्टिव हो गया. किसके बने? सिल्क. Made of silk. तो ये हो गया आपका एडजेक्टिव phrase. Some more example I am explaining. I like children playing outdoor games. मुझे बच्चों की स्पेशलिटी क्या हो? Playing outdoor games. तो ये भी हो गया adjective phrase. He is a man of a few words. He is a man. What kind of man he is? A man of few words. Of few words. Adjective phrase. Now next is in your book see. Second example here I have just explained. The ring is made of gold. So you understood noun phrase and adjective phrase. Now third is in your book see adverb phrase. It does the function of an adverb. Adverb जानते हैं? Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner. These are the main kinds of adverb, but there are 9 kinds of adverbs. Main are adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of time, place, next is prepositional phrase. Words like a preposition in a sentence. बच्चों, preposition मतलब there are many prepositions. Few of them important are in, on, at, under, above, over, since, for, from, with, etc. तो these अगर कोई आपको इससे कनेक्ट हुआ फ्रेज दिख जाए तो वो दैट विल बी प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज. इसमें तो आपको प्रीपोजिशन नहीं दिखा है ना. तो अगर प्रीपोजिशन से स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो वो होता है प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज. देखिए एग्जाम्पल. The woman on the terrace is waving while reading. On the terrace. What is on the terrace? ये क्या हो गया? Prepositional phrase. Up next. He is shouting in a loud voice. How is he shouting? Loud voice. यानी कि loudly means a verb phrase. Now next is verbal phrase. In your book you can see verbal phrase. The verbal phrase consists of either of the three: gerund, participle or infinitive working as the object. अभी हमने समझाया आपको gerund. gerund जो होते हैं वो बनते हैं verb plus first form. जैसे कि sleeping late night is not good. Sleeping till late in the morning is not good. Sleeping late at night, रात में देर से सोना is not good for health. How many among you sleep late at night? You must sleep at maximum at 10:30. Maximum. And you have to get up early in the morning. Right children? So, sleeping ing लगा है. Sleeping late at night ये हो गया आपका gerund phrase. Participle phrase. बच्चों, it consists of present participle, past participle. बच्चों, ये these are other chapters. We will discuss in the next any chapter about all of these things. Here it is given in short, so you have to understand. The table made of teak wood is expensive. So what kind of table? Made of teak. Made of teak. ये हो गया आपका participle phrase. Participle phrase जो होते हैं ना बच्चों, participle phrase होते हैं 3 kinds के: present participle, past participle and perfect participle. Past participle and perfect participle. ध्यान से देखिएगा. अगर हम कहें I met a girl running on the road, तो running on the road ये हो गया आपका present participle. I love children playing in the ground. Playing in the ground ये हो गया present participle. ये है आपका past participle. The table made of teak ये हो गया आपका past participle. Seeing a tiger, the hunter scared. Seeing a policeman, Ravi scared. Seeing a policeman. Seeing a policeman. Policeman को देखकर means seeing a policeman is a participle phrase. Next and the last one is infinitive phrase. It is just written here to watch out. I love to teach the students. I love teaching students. I love to teach students. To teach students, participle. Sorry, infinitive. And I love teaching students, gerund. Example is given here. The boy shouted to inform people about the fire. To inform. Whenever there is written to, I want to go. I want to watch the movie. I want to see the Taj Mahal. To see the Taj Mahal. These all are infinitive phrase. Now exercise. Identify the phrases given in the bold letters in the following sentence. First, the lady is wearing a beautiful pink frock. Now tell me, what is the phrase here? A beautiful pink frock. Next, Daddy always drives with care. Grandfather likes to watch classroom is our teacher, the lady in the classroom. Phrase. The athlete from Sweden won the race. The athlete from Sweden. Phrase. The delivery man brought me pizza. The delivery man. Phrase. My uncle is a man of few words. A man of few words. Phrase. Our English teacher is seldom late for her class. Our English teacher. Phrase. For her class also phrase. Now next page. Identify and name the phrases in the given sentences. This is for you. You will do this and you will identify what kind of phrase is that. Either noun phrase or adjective phrase or an adverb phrase. You will underline the phrase.